Access A of the Hong Kong U MTR station is the major passageway connecting the station and the main campus of Hong Kong U. It receives the largest number of passengers among the three exits of the stations, with the underground waiting area 70 meters below ground level. It is the deepest MTR exit in Hong Kong. It contains 8 lifts transporting passengers from the underground level to the upper ground level, which is on the 5th floor of HKU building.
Right now, there are basically 4 limitations for Exit A. The 4 limitations are lack of air ventilation, inefficient crowd control, dull appearance of the lift tower, and inefficient design of the lift tower. The current underground waiting area doesn't provide sufficient air ventilation. We plan to improve this by installing ventilation ducts from the ground level to the underground waiting area. Fresh air will be directed from above to the underground, and stuffy air will be pumped away back to the ground.
Inspired by the respiration process of plants, we suggest to implement hydroponic living walls in the area. To elaborate more, all the necessary nutrients for the plants will be provided by the cultivation system behind the wall, hence plants can live underground. Then it will further improve the air quality by increasing the level of oxygen through the respiration process of the plants. Our new exterior is inspired by the skyscrapers in Stockholm, Sweden, which is a biomimicry of wheat fields swaying in the wind. A large number of transparent thin straws, which are made of piezoelectric materials, will be installed on the exterior of the lift tower, and those small straws will detect the wind and produce electricity as it is swayed by the wind. Responding to the electricity produced by the piezoelectric pressure sensors under the upper ground floor, the upper ground waiting area can expand horizontally and automatically to contain more people during peak hours for the purpose of shortening the queue on the footbridge toward campus. We make use of the height of the lift tower to introduce vertical spatial expansions to the lift. Our double-deck lift system is created by upward or downward expansions of the original lift depending on the load of the passengers. A new floor connecting the SU canteen is also added. The floor is paved with piezoelectric sensors and electrochromic materials which respond to the weight of the passengers. In this process, pressure is transformed into electricity to change color of different areas of the floor and give an estimate of waiting time. Both the new lift and upper ground waiting area are made of pneumatic facade technology. Influenced by the breathing of organic skins, small cells of the facade can adjust their permeability to control the flow of light, heat, and wind, keeping the environment well ventilated in optimal temperature.
Integrated panels made out of photovoltaic cells will be installed on the exterior on the lift tower and on the rooftop. The UV light from the sun would change solar energy into electricity, which will be used to operate lights at night, and even contribute to the air conditioning drove by the underground ventilation system.
In conclusion, our new designs can improve both passenger experience and energy efficiency. In terms of passenger experience, the capacity of waiting areas and lift system is increased. The waiting time of passengers to get on a lift is shortened while their comfort during their waiting time is improved. Our eco-friendly designs can also maximize natural lighting and ventilation and minimize the use of light and air conditioners. We even go further to produce renewable energy to facilitate self-sufficiency in operating our building services. Ultimately, we create both a socially and environmentally sustainable area.